If you want to turn off notifications in Evernote, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable Evernote notifications on both Windows and Mac, so you can stop the alerts and work without distractions. This is a simple fix, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, let's cover Windows. Click the Start button, then open Settings. If you want a faster way, you can also press Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Once Settings opens, go to System, then select Notifications. This is where Windows manages notification settings for all your apps. Now scroll through the list of apps until you find Evernote. Depending on how many apps you have installed, this may take a moment, so just keep scrolling until you spot it. When you find Evernote, look for the toggle switch next to it and turn it off. Once the switch is off, Windows will stop showing Evernote notifications on your desktop. That's all you need to do on Windows. If you ever want to turn them back on later, just come back to the same notifications menu and flip the switch back on. Now let's move over to Mac. Open the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen, then click System Settings. In System Settings, look at the left sidebar and select Notifications. This section controls notification permissions for apps on your Mac. Next, scroll through the app list until you find Evernote. Click on Evernote to open its notification settings. Here, you'll see an option for Allow Notifications. Turn that switch off, and Evernote will stop sending notification alerts on your Mac. Once you've done that, you're all set. You've successfully turned off Evernote notifications on Windows or Mac, depending on the device you use. This is a great way to reduce distractions, especially if you use Evernote for work, study, or personal organization and want to stay focused. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.